Hi YouTube. So today I'm going to review this paper punch set that I bought from Amazon for $32.99 plus tax, which came out to around $36, but I did get free shipping. So I paid for this myself. I'm not being sponsored in any way. And I'm also going to demonstrate making nail decals with these. I don't take credit for that. I got the idea from Hannah Rocks Nails. So let's begin. Anchor, sunglasses, seashell, little girl, flower, paw print, dragonfly, fleur de lis, sorry if I butchered that, moon, I think that's either a puppy or a rabbit, cat, I think a dove or just a bird, sailboat, butterfly, star, leaf, teddy bear, chick, heart, dolphin, teddy bear, a Christmas bell, bow, duck, I love you, horse, car, maple leaf, I think a snowman, arrow, Cupid's arrow, Christmas tree, balloon, Eiffel Tower, tulip, foot, I think a witch, dinosaur, cupcake, another foot, speech bubble, snowflake, another flower, like elephant, mustache, apple, shamrock, dog, crown, person, palm tree, airplane, umbrella, fish, frog, smiley face, music. Here I'm just applying nail polish to a sandwich baggie, the way Hannah Rocks Nails does. I let this dry overnight, and at first I was having a little difficulty peeling it off, but eventually as I kept going along I managed to get a good amount off. I think the only issue was the nail polish I used, they just applied thin coats, but... And now this is where the magic happens. As you can see, I used the shamrock hole punch because I was doing a St. Patrick's Day nail design, so yeah. As you can see, it penetrated fairly well, so no complaints there. Now I'm just gonna apply another coat of the light green nail polish that I used so I could be able to glue the decals on fairly smoothly. And finally, I just topped it all off with some green chunky glitter for that extra glam. All in all, I am impressed with the set. They penetrate well through construction paper, cardstock, and any kind of thin paper. I don't recommend thick cardboard or sticker paper. I once had an incident where I used sticker paper and the hole puncher got stuck, so I had to go return to exchange it. But yeah, highly recommend for paper crafters, confetti, nail art, and such. This was $32.99 plus free shipping, plus tax, which came out to $36, and I received it in just a day. Yeah, thanks for watching.